It's a great Sunday morning, my dear friends. I wish you a hearty welcome to this Queen's Modern Group Discussion Club. A beautiful Sunday, 17th of June 2013. Dear folks, in this group discussion topic today, what's the topic we are going to speak? The land where Mahatma Gandhi was born, the land where Buddha, Mahavir, the land of four religions which originated, the land of spirituality. The Westerners are coming here to India to find spiritualism, peace, and happiness. In this land, alcoholism, which almost ruins most of the families, which you know, all the liquor shops, they sell liquor. People go out of mind. Accidents happen. A lot of crimes happen. It is already proved that 90% of all the criminals in the prison, they consume liquor. 90%. So what shall we do? In India is the only state which has total prohibition is Gujarat. But remaining all states and union territories, they sell liquor. It is huge revenue for the government. So it is a crime to run liquor shops. We should close it. This is what one team is going to speak, and the other team says no. We have multinational companies, globalized world, in this competition world. All the Western countries are investing their money over here. People are slowly changing their lifestyle. Indian standard of living has gone to an extent that almost you find most of the middle class families, they have a car, they live a luxurious life, they earn in 6-digit salary. In fact, lakhs together they earning, husband and wife are earning, most of them are educated, most keep traveling all around the world. So liquor is a lifestyle. So it is up to the freedom of an individual to consume or not. No one can stop it. Alcoholism, just a fruit juice. It is made of apple, it is made of sugarcane, it is made of all grapes. So what's wrong in taking the fruit juice? Even killing an animal and eating non-vegetarian is worse than drinking alcohol. So this is the side which they are going to speak. Here we see in Tamil Nadu, the government of Tamil Nadu is running Tasmak shops so that illegal alcohols are not sold. It's a great revenue for the state government, almost 25,000 crores to 30,000 crores per annum they get. So what shall we do? So this is the side. What you plan to do, sir? What is it you are supporting? You want to ban alcohol shops in India, right? So here, lawyer, what's your name? Palani Kumar will be the leader of this group. And here, what's your name, sir? Anand. He'll be the leader of the other side where he supports that alcoholism is nothing wrong in a country like India. Today, India is the third richest country in the world next to America and China in terms of GDP, gross domestic product. So nothing wrong. Okay, let us start the discussion. I wish you all the best. Start. Joseph, you want to have this mic also?
Okay. Hi, morning everyone. And today I'm going to support in form of consuming alcohol. And this is like, it's not a good or right what I'm saying about. It's just about the individual perception, how they can do it about. And the most of the thing is like the government revenue, whatever we are getting by the Tasmak shops today is about close to 60 to 70%. And it's the maximum revenue which a government can earn. And even people are saying that there is Gujarat is the only one state where there is no wine shops or alcoholic shops available. But if you have more, I do not know how many people have visited the city there to see where they have illicit liquor shops available, and people travel to the borders of other state to consume alcohol. So the state where Gandhi is born, people do things behind the doors. So right, might well as do it legally. That is my point. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I will talk about government must close their all Tasmak shop because so liquor is too bad to our health and our family and health totally collapse the each and everything. Actually, my dear friend says government earn more taxes from the liquor sales. Actually, my friend is do not know uh, how how is government earning. If one beer bottle selling 100 rupees, that 100 rupees 20 rupees only goes to the come for the taxes. Other 80 rupees go come to in Mitas company. That Mitas company politician owned by in ruling party is going to in 80 rupees. Other more than 400 percentage going to in private. Actually, that party is a in ruling politician party that having the company, and 25% only other private company purchasing. Example for Kingfisher is a private. Only 20% only taxes is there giving. Then uh, if olden days private owners are having doing the business, that timing peoples are low levels of consuming level, but nowadays government selling, this is not a ration shop. Everyone purchasing today. School children also in rural area 8th standard studying in boy consume the liquors. This is too bad to so affected in India. Actually, India is a farming country, not a foreign country. Foreign country must want because their weather is too cold, so they need. But India is a very hard. They are affected in health. Why the people is going to to uh, to the affected nation and our health also.
No one is forcing you to have alcohol. It depends on one's needs. And having the alcohol is also not a very bad thing. It's sometimes good for health.
Not in foreign country only because weather condition. Their weather condition is very cold, so must have a small.
Not about the weather
But
only.
now,
We are consuming beer.
pardon?
That's why we are consuming beer.
Actually, beer only sorry, not only beer is cooling the body. Many of the things available here. Then why you want mix the beer drink?
Not for cooling purpose, we are using. It's good for health. If you take below 10%, it is good.
Then many politicians doing the bar ownership. Bar ownership taking the contract is selling more profit. Example, purchasing the water packet in 35 paise, but selling the bar 5 rupees. Each packet in selling 5 rupees, and Yusunthro cups available for outer area only 40 paise, but they are selling 5 rupees. It is huge profit goes to the politician. Then only they are agreed to provide the selling and encouraging there. But this is totally bad. Indian country actually my friend says. Many taxes coming from the liquor area. Actually, this is not true. It's actually earn for more politician and private ownership only earning. Olden days, people was low level consuming, but nowadays everyone, not everyone, most of the 80% peoples are purchasing. If Sundays you go to any visit in outer area or in an area, many of the accident in OMR or ECR, many of the accident cases fell in drink and drive and so many things, because too bad for our health.
Not only accidents, their rapes are also increasing due to alcohol. Our country is second place in AIDS because of alcohol.
Okay, here one thing about you spoke about the profit. Even a Pepsi bottle cost you only 2 rupees, but you are buying the same bottle for 15 rupees. It doesn't mean the liquor is also the same business, because as you said, yes, it is only 35 paise for the water packet, but any person will make business to be only profit, not to do it on barter system or on par system. So anything you buy today, there will be a profit in each thing.
But they
And,
must, that place must you want. Pepsi are things you must want. You need.
There are systems even in
Just-
YouTube. If you search, there are some
Just
things
a-
saying
just
that even
little bit
consuming
of change,
Pepsi is
need
bad
and
to
want.
health.
Need and want. Okay, need is must. Want is. Pardon?
Pepsi is also not needed.
Yeah, no need. But
So then why are you consuming it?
in bar, they are not available for any water, and you must purchase here.
Not necessary. You can buy a water bottle from outside and take it to the bar.
No.
They will allow you.
Any go.
Or you can even consume it on the rocks.
Any place you go to in Tasmar, they throw out, because my one of the brother near the Tasmar, he's doing a business in small petty shop, but they are putting the all the water packet and use through classes is thrown out, because you nearest place in private don't sell the water bottle and use through cup. You just check it.
No, that is one
No.
way for the safety, which is like
No,
cleanliness.
it's there, it's
Somebody else consumed the glass, you don't have to taste it.
No,
So it is for that purpose.
No.
Okay.
Is there?
And the second point, what I want to bring you here is you're saying it's about the politician who's
Yeah.
got the manufacturing units of the wine shops.
Of course, it's
Yes,
true.
I am not denying that point. You are absolutely right. But none of the politicians bought the pride of India by bringing the sword of Tipu Sultan or the slippers of Mahatma Gandhi. It was one Vijay Mallya who bought it here, the same consumption of the alcoholic. It's only the money which is earned through the alcohol. None of the politicians bought, neither the Sonia Gandhi nor the Rajiv Gandhi or the any of the Gandhi family bought it. It is only Vijay Mallya who bought it back. So it is the money from the alcohol companies. Okay, and one more point you said about the drink and drive thing. We need to have a rule which says, okay, you, after consuming liquor, you should not drive. But it is not about consuming the liquor. One should know his safety for the consumption of liquor and then drive. It is consumption is one part, taking risk is another part. By consuming liquor, you are not into danger. But when you drive on the road, you are in a danger. So you should have a separation to split it up and see, okay, consuming is different and driving is different. So again, raping, that's again a different category. Not everybody drinks rapes. And everybody rapes does not drink. It is a different point. So here the point is that. So money which is coming, one should know his limitations, and everyone makes business into a profitability thing. So that's it.
Okay, my dear friends, says politicians not inaugurate the liquor business, but I am boldly says politician only inaugurate the liquor business, because Vijay Mallya is a businessman. He is enter into all the business. He is not only selling the liquor, so many things he is selling. But in Tamil Nadu government, Jayalalitha in last time she was only starting the business, because she is best friend in also Binami Sasikala is there. Sasikala only having a Mitas company. That is Tamil Nadu number one, 75% purchasing in liquor. She has also have a grapes garden in Bangalore and near Kumuli also here.
SNJ is Kanimulis.
Pardon?
SNJ is Kanimolis.
Oh,
So
okay, no,
everyone has got it.
but then only I'm saying politician. That only I'm saying.
Why
You-
they- why-
you're saying just not inaugurate in politician.
No.
But I am boldly says politician only inaugurate this.
Correct. Why
You
they are
go
doing
to
it?
any. Nah, I am saying is not DMK. Any ruling party you having a bar tender is coming. If ruling the DMK doing this. ADMK comes, ADMK doing this.
Correct. I am not denying
another-
your point.
another
Why they
party
are doing
comes,
it?
They are only doing
Correct.
it.
Why they are doing it?
Because more profit.
That is what. That is the end of
But
because they know the
profit-
money
profit
which
is
can
many
be
things
earned
there,
only through
but
liquor
this
business.
is too
You
bad
cannot-
in
you-
liquor sales.
There are so many good ways to earn money for
Which one?
government.
This is too bad to
Now Amma Unavagam.
Okay.
Like
Do
that.
you know how
so
much
many
loss
good
they are
ways
making
are
in
there.
that Amma Unavagam? Do you have any idea how much loss they are making in that?
Yes, even if they
No.
do anything, it is
Do
good
you have
for
any-
people and good for health.
No,
Correct.
This is
How
service.
But why you want to sell alcohol and make money?
Correct. The loss what they are making in Amma Unavagam has to be equaled
that is-
by the wine shop what
No, no,
money
no,
you are
that
earning
is-
from there.
no, no, no,
You are
that is
you are
main
con-
thing
you are
in
arguing
service.
on the bus ticket
Wait.
rise, fuel rise. So now where do you consume that bus ticket? Where do you equal the bus ticket? By the loss which making by the government, somewhere it has to be equalized. So
My
something which they are earning from the liquor business, they are equalizing to other part.
Okay, my friend, Amma Unagam is totally different. It's a service sector because providing in poor people, example for 1 kg per 1 rupee, that is a totally different. This is a service sector.
It is not different.
Okay.
It
No,
is not
no, no,
different,
no,
my
no.
friends.
You are
You are,
earning
you
the
are,
business,
there,
lot
there
of
is a, there is a charitable trust. Okay, the charitable trust does not run on its own. There is some foreign funds which is coming into it to do it, help the poor. It is a service. So the same to do this service, you need a backup. That backup is coming from the liquor business.
But many people was affected. Benefited people was low. Affected people was more. Then hey, then government why doing this?
Then they should.
So must they close all the towns must.
Correct. Then you should not ask for 1 rupee rice and free bus tickets and low education and all. It should be. It should be. It should be charged.
Example in transport system, government and private is same equally. But you just if you go in rural area, but first check in only KPN or any private only. Why you are going to the government? Because service is good. The private rural. So then only they are doing the loss. Government is going to the loss because not a permanent maintenance. Maintenance very worst. Just you go and sit any town bus or a rural bus, very dust is there. But government giving the more salary for in labor. Every bus should have in one trip. In all the facilities providing for providing in machinery and labors in so many funds are providing in government, but laborers and employees are not good working. In private area, low price also the good service. So then only choosing in private.
What will be the result about the profit and the loss? If the family itself is going to be ruined, I don't think we should support alcoholism. No family where the government thinks of trying to disintegrate the family with allowing alcoholism, no family is going to stay together. If you just see all the abuse that takes place, it's all done by the men and the men who consume alcohol. Mostly 99% or maybe 75%, however the men argue, whatever they say, the tax and the government, the value system of the family, of the whole country, when you put it together, the whole family collapses, the country collapses, people become irresponsible. Without alcohol himself, you feel there's so much of irresponsibility. And when it comes to alcoholic men consuming liquor, most of it's in India, the freedom is given more to men. And when men consume liquor, you just pass by, whether you walk it down or whether you just pass on a vehicle, you see them all sprawled on the ground, and it's just pathetic whether these men folk will ever reach their homes. So on the whole, I feel alcoholism should be definitely banned, because the government can always find other sources. If it is going to think that, if it's going to allow alcoholism, it shows that men can be easily bought with this type of liquor, this being drugged by liquor, whatever you say, saying it is an apple juice or barley juice, that is not the real. It does give a disease effect, and most of the crimes that are committed is always committed under the effect of alcohol. Very few in a normal sense of mind or intellectual sense of mind will ever come and decide to do some crime or do anything wrong. My friend on the opposite side, he said about rape and grape and all that. I don't know what he's trying to convince. Whatever be the crime that is comes on to the media, and gets every household shocked. It is all youngsters being influenced by liquor and menfolk influenced by liquor. You hardly find women coming on to do any such crime. That itself shows the crime rate is only more among men and not among the women. So what is important to project yourself as a decent society, a real society. The caliber of the men, the work, the intelligence, the hard work, that is more important. Not that we have to go in for drugs and then show off that we belong to a very high class and top class. That hi-fi mentality is, I feel, is not needed at all. And you cannot tell a person this is the amount you have to drink. Once he gets influenced into drinking, it is definitely, there is no taking him back. Then you have to send him for a big counseling, and I don't think they will allow themselves to be counseled. So there are so many sort of drawbacks that come from the beginning itself. When you tell a person don't, that's how we teach in schools also. The child is told don't, and from the beginning itself that don't tells it not to do, that these things are bad. It is a prevention is always better than afterwards trying to cure the patient out of any illness that comes. And liquor also causes so much of illness, diseases. Most of the cases that come is all because of all the diseases mostly is because of too much of drinking. And I don't know which doctor prescribes the patient to drink. So far, I think for my 60 years of living, I've never heard a doctor tell, yes, you can take a little bit of liquor, you'll become all right. This seems to be a little new news to me. When there's so much of health drinks and so many nature provides us such wonderful fruits and vegetables, I don't think we should really go in for this type of alcoholism. Thank you.
Yes, madam, we brought the point of value system, but if you see our ancient culture, Rishi Munis and all used to take Draksha Sava. It is one form of wine only. So we are not supporting addiction altogether. We are saying that shops should not be closed. Why I'm saying shops should not be closed? Because suppose if tomorrow close all the shops, but some people require liquor. So what they will do? They will do it with illegal ways, crude way of making liquor. So by that what happens? Methane content and ethanol content they cannot manage. So that will be more dangerous. And the taxes and all we are getting, that is also valid point because suppose. Now Anand brought the point that we are getting rice for 1 rupee, but rice cost is not 1 rupee. That 23 rupees the rice cost. The 22 rupees they have to manage from some luxurious items. So luxurious items are dining, liquor consumption, some club and all. So it is one part of taking much revenue. It is one part of it.
I think earning is many ways there. Many ways there. Many
Yes.
industry, government not only taking liquor and ration shop. Government undertaking more the industries and more the department. But why you choosing only liquor? Income was first time I'm say I told that only all members have told me only taxes coming from the liquor, then only government selling
Not
the
only liquor, it is a part of one
No,
part
no.
of taxation.
Okay, in most of the income coming from that industry. But I am saying only 20% income only coming in government. 80% goes out. They affected people. More people, middle class and low class people, health and wealth also affected. Example, daily wages on small labor. They are getting a salary daily. Suppose he get 300. He is spending daily 200 for this kind of example for drinking and all those things in unnecessary items. just earn on per day only 100.
Mhm.
This mainly affected that labor for government selling, because olden days private that not people not that much of purchasing, but now purchasing most of the people purchasing power was uh, sorry, purchasing number of percentage was so high today, because government also selling, so is the people think is good. So but they uneducated peoples they are not knowing the how that effect
effects
in
of
bad to
alcohol.
our health.
Okay.
Uh,
So, yes, sir. So laborers, they consume alcohol. The reason behind that is they work for 20 means 10 hours a day, and in the very critical condition they work. So they will get body aches, and also to suppress those effects. That is a fact. That is fact they consume.
the really I say
They
many
consume
things,
for their
body relaxation, many things is there.
what
Good.
else?
No, many things is there. I don't in medical. No, many things is there. No, not only dieting. It's many things is there. But why you are saying the liquor is liquor only remedy to that it isn't.
They don't
No, no,
go.
no,
They
no.
cannot go for that panchakarma Ayurvedic massage and all for that their relaxation.
Massage,
They
I'm
will go
saying,
for some cheap way of relaxation. So that I'm not supporting that. So, but they are helpless. They cannot do much about that.
but I'm saying many people saw
But if we close shops, they will go for illegal liquor, and that will be worst. It will be worse because
No, that level was slowly is down. Gujarat, my friend also said that Gujarat people was is going to the outer border. They are consuming,
Yes.
but that is a very low level. There must slowly decrease that kind of percentage on purchasing.
Mhm.
But government taking this the industry,
Mhm.
many people was purchasing number of the purchasing percentage was increasing. Then only
Yes.
this is not clearly saying this is not a fundamental goods or not a ration shop. This is a liquor
No,
unwanted.
that's why they are not
unwanted
selling
body.
for 1 rupee. They are selling for high cost. That because it is luxurious item, they are selling for high cost. So we are in the democratic field, the democratic country. So everyone should have choice. That's it. We have purchased beer bottle. There will be it will be injurious to health. So to accept that fact or not, it is individual's choice. So they are taking it. Okay, we are getting money out of it. That is fine. So one have to choose what is good and bad.
But
And
what I am saying,
yes.
but putting the in one line, single line, but
Single line, yes.
yeah, it's partly single line, but government putting in this is owned by government. It's big letter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so everything government provides some uneducated peoples know this is good.
Okay,
I think
one person is worker, he has to consume a liquor. So what he will choose? Government outlet he will choose because it will be kind of
But
better.
but is this must what politician was must important to remedy to take the remedy to change the nation.
Hmm.
But this is not a politician was must develop in the country. Is go suppose getting good income goes down.
So see,
In
there are
Arabic,
countries they are
Arabic
having.
country, they're
Ah.
not selling the liquor.
Arabic country is totally different. They even cut their
No.
hands if you steal something. So that is their culture is totally
Because,
different. See, Europe, they are everybody consumes alcohol. I'm not supporting addiction at all. That I want to clear first point. They are consuming, but they are way ahead with us
Not only
than
addict
us.
people,
Ah.
many people are now purchasing.
Yes.
Purchasing and they are
So if
they are
you
buying.
close the shops, they will not purchase.
If Sunday,
They will purchase.
If Sunday, not only
one or the other way.
laborers and middle class, IT people and many students and
Yes,
college
IT
students,
people, I want
teachers,
to bring that point.
lecturers, all kind of peoples are consuming the liquor.
Okay, so
Because,
we are in the
government,
global.
they are telling government only providing. This is not morally bad. He is
Government-
assuming the in the.
Let's see. Suppose Jayalalitha will not come and say that consume liquor. That she will not tell. So they are not promoting liquor.
Actually, this is
Consumption of liquor.
this is also part of promoting, not straight away. This is it's partly promoting because government only selling the
Do you drink?
no.
No.
No, because my background of family in village,
Any
so
of your friends drink?
so yeah,
Did you ever stop them?
no.
Why?
Only
When you, as an individual, you cannot stop your friend, how do you expect a country to stop 100,000 people to stop?
yeah, then only I'm saying government only providing, so they increasing. Suppose in my friend also come with my village, but he comes in the city, he seeing everything. No controlling. He stay in a room. No one controlling. So they were seeing all the things. Sunday, everyone can purchase. Say just do it one day, first time. Then regularly every Sunday is doing this.
One can easily stop the habit of drinking. If you're not manufacturing that, why people are going to drink?
Manufacturing. That is what.
Okay, I'll ask
This
you
is
one
not
more.
a
If you don't
way
drink, why
to-
would they manufacture? If you don't drink, why would they manufacture?
Yeah. Now it is spoiling only because of alcohol. It is increasing day by day. If you stop it,
Okay, let the new generation
like
do
chewing
not drink.
tobacco is
Okay,
stopped now.
Let the new generation.
It
do
is
not-
an illegal
no.
way if you.
Tobacco is still not stopped.
It is not
still
stopped. It
available.
isn't.
It is still available. You want
some
you can,
illegal way it is
not,
available.
What they've announced
not
is you are not
illegally.
supposed to publicize it on the shops. So it is kept in the packet below. You ask for it, they'll take it from
Yeah, it is
below and
not
give it to
legal
you.
nowadays.
That is all.
Not
it
a
is
legal.
not stopped.
It is not a legal way. Okay, if you are going to drink somewhere, okay, if you are drinking, if you drink, you won't stop just by drinking. You'll smoke, then you'll chew tobacco. You want to increase that feeling. So your body is spoiling in all the ways,
That is the individual choice.
and so many problems are occurring in
Even
homes.
that's why, as you said, even in Arab countries, liquor is available. The rule what they've imposed there is you are not supposed to consume it on the shop. You can buy it, take it home and drink. You are not supposed to drink on the shop.
Not purely 100. That alcohol percentage is very low in Arab country. Not contain alcohol content very very low. You see the in Tamil Nadu, you take any bottle, 37% in.
That depends on the what type you are taking. If you are go for
no.
vodka and all, that will be having 30%
only,
plus.
they are only they're available in wine.
No, that is not. That is not.
in
That
Arabic
is not our
country,
argument
available
point.
for-
Our argument
wait,
point is shop should be there or
No,
not.
the,
Percentage and all?
in Arabic country available for wine and beer only. That there is non-alcoholic beer and low.
Beer
low
cannot be
low-
non-alcoholic.
No. It's-
Any
no.
liquor cannot should have
In Arabic
alcohol.
country, I
to
say in
be-
Arabic country. No.
No.
No,
man.
I have a proof.
Any
I
liquor
have
means
proof.
it should
Because,
have alcohol, ethanol, plus
my
6%
friend,
is
went
called
to
as a
in Arabic country. Beer is available for non-alcoholic. If-
Non-alcohol beer.
No, no.
You have it even in a Spencer's. You have
No,
it.
no. I know, but there's no available for alcoholic beer because consuming in single beer, he taking. If Arabic country, he consume 3 bottle in equivalent to in Tamil Nadu in single bottle.
So your cost is more over there. So one bottle you can finish off the.
Oh, it's totally affected your body. If you taking a low cost, you go you take a any.
Okay, you are speaking about the health problems, no? And then you might been heard about that Pepsi and Coke. It is mixed up with an HIV person's blood and all, and insects. You can found that insects in tin bottles, tins.
Okay, tell anyone who lost their life only because of Coke, Pepsi, etc.
You know, it slowly dissolves your bones.
Okay,
You know that.
tell me anyone who's died only because of this
That's
things.
what I mean. It's like a slow poison. You know.
And if it is also a slow poison,
Okay, just listen. Even I
You
can
can-
show. Even I can prove it because in Andhra, what happened? A person. That Pepsi, he mixed that paracetamol tablet in an Pepsi and he died. You know that it's more dangerous
is
than
so-
the liquor. You know that
why he did like
Pepsi
that?
and
Why
Coke
he
it's
did
more
like that?
dangerous when in combination.
Yes, he must be mental. Why he want to dissolve the tablet in Pepsi? What is the reason? He want to commit suicide. So only he didn't
What
like
am I
that.
saying? It's one of the way to harm our body, no?
But whatever it is, we are not talking about Pepsi now. I don't know. I don't know why Pepsi is coming to the.
Okay, so we are the part of globalization now. So I'm working for some IT firm and some parties going on. If we foreign clients come from them, it is very usual thing. So if you stop every shops here, we will not able to provide them what they want. So our means they will think that we are not the liberal country. So Neha want to put some views of our views for this point later.
Going to pubs, having alcohol, it's okay. It's not a bad thing.
Not how will you support it?
Just for that's all.
India is our India is famous for culture. First of all, the culture is getting spoiled only because of this alcohol. Now even girls started to consume alcohol.
Yeah,
If you go and see in pubs,
yeah, they cannot go
they'll
to a
be
bar and have
dancing,
alcohol, no? So
dancing
they'll go,
with they don't know, they don't have any conscience. They'll be dancing with someone. Their dressing will be too bad. They don't know what they are doing. They'll go and fall on anyone. If
Okay,
something
they
happens,
they don't
then
have an
it may be
option
an
to go
issue.
bar and they have
It will be an
to-
issue. If anyone touches her and something happens like that, the next day it will come in newspapers.
So suppose when
They
girl
won't
is-
support girls.
Okay.
They'll blame only on boys.
Okay, so girl is drinking. Girl
Oh,
is drinking.
only because
okay,
of alcohol,
okay.
this is-
Girl is drinking, and some boy touches her and do a rape. So who is culprit here, girl or a boy?
Both.
Why both?
She is drunk.
She is drunk, so she is not open for a rape.
She's dressing
That is
way is
not
not
good.
good.
Okay.
She is drunk. She won't cover her
Okay.
private parts. So
No,
it
man.
tempts
So,
a person.
see.
Normally, a person will be tempted to do such things.
Okay, so our here argument point is
Actually-
shops are open. So you are saying that if shops are open, girls and boys will drink freely, and girl drinks, she is open for any sexual intercourse. So boy will touch her and get benefit of it. So boy is more responsible in this situation than girl, I will say.
First response for going to girls because physically if taking the girl
Girl is taking alcohol, okay.
he's very fastly going to unconscious.
Okay, so she's unconscious. Okay.
Not only unconscious, slow. He's very quickly because it's
Okay, she's
compared to man
unconscious,
body.
she is not a-
comparing to man body, it's lady body. Very quickly affected.
Okay,
liquor-
I agree.
liquor.
Okay, so.
Then why you drink the alcohol? She's already know this is for bad. This is for bad. Then
So we diverting from our argument, but this is a kind of quite of debatable argument. So girl is drinking, so you are saying it is not good. Boy is drinking, it is good.
not I am saying, but you suggest first responsible who's
No man,
responsible for
responsible for rape is only male, not a woman. She is not asking. She is not appealing.
She's not asking, but she's trying. This is one kind of trying.
She is asking someone to rape herself.
She's no.
No, man.
She was no everything because if it take it, I'm going to unconscious. But why they need?
No, knowing this, then women should not enter the pubs. When they know this, that this is going to happen there in the pubs, they should not enter.
Nowadays,
Now, why should they enter?
No.
Coming to the same point.
No, no.
Close.
All-
Put only gender for.
No pub says that only men are allowed or women are allowed. It is above 18 years, anybody can go. Okay, and second point, as you said one thing which is talking only about the sentimental values. Sentimental values, yes, I do accept it, but it is very simple that anybody should have their own. That's why they say after 18 you are an adult, you can think on your own. If you are not able to think on your own, then we should change the age gender. It should not be 18 years, it should be 30
I
years.
just put one trial. If I just give you one glass of liquor now, will you be able to talk to me like this?
Yes, I can.
Definitely not.
Yes, I can.
No, you will.
Maybe I'll talk more.
No,
Maybe I'll talk more.
You will talk nonsense.
No.
You'll talk more. You'll talk more
No,
nonsense than sense.
right now maybe I'm little low. Once maybe 1 or 2 glasses I may be more aggressive.
Then
That is the
another more
difference.
You will lose. You will not be able to stand.
No. No, drunk is different. Drunk is
No, no.
different. See, drunk Drunk and falling down is what is called drunk.
No, no.
That's what I'm saying. Drunk and talking nonsense is only a drunk. Okay.
No,
Being aggressive is something different.
See, there are various stages drunken men go through. Either they become dumb, otherwise no one can listen to them. They'll be talking the same thing. They won't know what they talk, and more embarrassing, they won't even know if they've got their clothes on. They won't know where they're lying. They forget who's their wife, who's their child. Everything is forgotten in a drunken man. And the very fact, like the friends from my side were telling,
India based on agriculture country, in 75% people are doing the agriculture sector. In Tamil Nadu also say the same, 75% also people doing in agri. But nowadays agriculture is going to die because employee employee cost are more than big agriculture sector is doing a huge loss because rain is not properly coming, and it's a power cuts is the main reason for agri goes down. But there's some separate peoples doing the olden days doing dadi, that's where produce for coconut tree and get the some it's called in Tamil name, it's called they are taking in early morning directly. It's good for health, and says some without any ingredients, it's for good for health. It's saying olden days people are consuming in the rural area. So many people for peoples and certain level of agriculture department also is developing that industry, but that industry was now closed for last 40 years. We Tamil Nadu government selling foreign liquor and foreign beer and private company providing, but this is now why not encouraging in Tamil Nadu. Why they stop the dadi?
So that is what I'm telling. So you are saying tadi. You gave an example of tadi. So farmers are preparing it out of coconut. So they will get more benefited if you allow them to sell it legally. So that is my point. And other forms of liquor, kind of wine and beer, if you take in small quantity appropriately, then they will be helpful. Now in the gyms and all, if you see the Mr. India and all the competitions happens where they will show off their body and they will be priced accordingly. So there they prescribe them protein plus some beer content in appropriate quantity. But if you shop claws and all liquor shops and all, they will not be able to do. So doctors also prescribe in some conditions kind of brandy in appropriate quantity if a person is not able to get good sleep. So in that way it is helpful also, because so we can't close shop. If we close shop, those benefits we will not get.
Close up, you say that these kinds of people only lower than 1%, but many people purchasing the unwanted and example, if in human body taking suppose one man, single man taking a quarter bottle, but he is taking more than half because affected and health.
Appropriate quantity, that is my boasting point. So if you take in appropriate quantity, it will be benefit.
That kind
so
of
if you close
people
shop, you are not
purchasing
able to
was
do.
very low percentage, in below than 1%. If you say gym and medical purpose you have, suppose this is good any pharmaceutical and it's taking a pharmacy pharmaceutical you taking the pharmaceutical syrup or that kind of way you encourage on selling, but government encourage the pure liquor selling. So then only we are says that close the all TASMAC shop.
You are telling that it is of good use. It has medicinal purposes in drinking alcohol. Okay. First of all, no one consumes a huge amount of alcohol. First, they start in beer or wine, and they this day by day they improve their standards in alcohol. Like this only, everyone gets spoiled. Even school going, college students, everyone.
Yes, so for liquor, we are supposed to consume liquor and all when we have some permit kind of license. License is issued. The license is issued for adults who are who have crossed their 21st year of age. So I'm not posting addiction here, but if the small quantity, appropriate quantity benefit which are getting from liquor, those will not be. We will not get those benefits when we close shops at all. So I'm not boasting that we should that high consumption of alcohol should be promoted. That way I'm telling. And
You are telling the way it's totally different to in Tamil Nadu, because in Tamil Nadu in freely openly they are selling all the shops, more number of outlet increasing by in the government. Olden days private shops
That means
also
people
more
want
than
it.
the outlet was increased by in the government, because in
government will increase when there is a demand. So there is a demand in the market. That's why they are increasing.
that's why I'm saying, because government selling the liquor, people was more consuming.
It is not opposite. There is a demand. That's why if there is no demand, the government will not open any outlet. Demand the sense people are consuming them. So if we close that, they will go for other ways to
If
consumption. That will be
government
more
doing the same
drastic.
thing, before 5 years, people assume liquors is just like a water. So you need every time, every day.
If you see any
the
ad
thing
of
is happening,
government,
because you take before 10 years, liquor consuming was very low level people. Low percentage of people. But now that is increasing. After these things are regularly doing, after 10 years, small kid also taking in beer or
so
wine.
small kids
This
and
is-
all,
this is-
it will. I am not telling that small kids shouldn't.
I'm saying this outlets are this way of increasing in the outlet. Suppose doing in the government, after 10 years, small kid also consuming the, because very
For
free.
that, we
very
should
free.
educate people that consumption of alcohol is bad. Means appropriate quantity. I am boasting that when appropriate quantity.
You
And
go to any Tasmak shop, any you see any people are, you take the no one can mind it.
yes,
Just
if
go
you
on to the
if we
water.
close that shop, then what will happen? They will stop consumption of alcohol? No, they will not stop. They will go some other way to purchase a bottle of beer or whatever it is.
That government problem. Government must stop on any
Government
border
cannot
area also.
stop. Government can close shop, but they cannot stop that habit or whatever their wish to consume alcohol.
Suppose if man or lorry man one day or it's regularly it's stricter. Suppose one day he went to Pondicherry and taking, but not all days. But now regularly he is taking on every Sunday he is taking now. It's slowly reduced.
That is I'm telling. If you close shop, that habit of that person will not go off. He will find some other other way, illegal way, and that illegal way will be serving
that is
bad
government
quality of
problem.
liquor.
Police doing very strictly.
Police
not
can
provided.
police might be 5,000, 10,000 police cannot control 10 million people of Tamil Nadu.
If police try to them, they will.
What if
will
they are
control
consuming
it.
home?
But
No,
they
if
will
you
not
one point
control
here
it.
I want to say, you're talking about police can control. Okay, in the opposite wine shop, you have a wine shop here, and this is a signal junction. There should be a traffic cop. Drinking and driving is prohibited. They will not stop when you go into the wine shop, and they will not stand in front of the wine shop and check the people. Okay, you're consumer. He'll stand in the corner. Once you start your bike and then come on, he'll catch you.
Suppose.
So it is right. Basically, thing is.
I tell the reason, because policeman was stopping him. Sir, government only selling. Just now I consuming. Just I will go to home only. Just telling that is simple word. Government only selling. Their policeman was.
So as per your point, if I have to do it, I can still keep the shop open and sell the liquor, putting one police, you are not supposed to consume here, buy the bottle, go home and drink. right? No, what I'm saying is, the Tasmak shops can be open, and I should put one policeman saying that you cannot drink here, buy bottle, go back home and then drink. So you should not drink and drive. So you can buy it and go back home.
Government not strictly doing this.
So you're,
Then only I am saying.
so
Because politician having a bar. This is a ruling party having a bar. So any politician party they are not strictly doing the you are saying the word.
Fault in system. So closing a shop, that is I'm telling, if you what you're saying, that closing shop, then if you close the shop, the people will not drink and will not that will not happen. That practice happened in Maharashtra once. RR Patil closed all the liquor shop and ladies bar also, that time he closed, but then liquor started selling illegally. That was causing more tax harm was happening. That is a small issue, but people were taking illegal liquor and too much deaths were causing.
That's why I'm saying this is slowly decrease.
Since
That confirm.
100 and 200 years, people are consuming alcohol. It is never reduced and it will not reduce.
If government try to stop them, confirmly this is stop. Slowly, you are saying that all the happens are doing. Confirmly, I'm also agree. But that's that the thing slowly was decreased, because suppose one man want liquor is if going to Pondicherry purchase consuming that, then coming just one day or monthly once and twice the months, this is slowly decreasing the but government openly directly saying no more, outlet was increasing. After 10 years this percentage, you and me also doing consuming the liquor. That's why I'm saying, because
Yes, sir.
because no one stop him, because morally they are not bad. People assume that condition, because everyone consume that marriage. In rural area says in Tamil word, இப்பெல்லாம் யாரு குடிக்காதவங்கலாம் யாரு? Olden days, if searching in a girl in யாரா கெட்ட பழக்கமே இல்லாத மாப்பிள்ளையா பார்க்கணும். That's why that words are available. But now இப்பெல்லாம் அதெல்லாம் தனி சாப்பிட்ற மாதிரி இருப்பா, அதெல்லாம் இல்லைப்பா, சம்பளம் salary good salary. So the people was assuming that kind of mind, because government also
for that
doing
shop closing will not
if
educate them.
This kind of
They should educate them
doing
to get-
doing regularly. But after 10 years, no one can no one can in teetotal. Everyone doing the everyone can, even me also, because
So if I tell you consume alcohol, you will consume alcohol.
pardon?
If I tell you
But
this is the bottle,
these things are doing after 10 years.
why if your willpower is strong, why you will consume alcohol? If shop is open, you will go and consume. No, you have wished that I will not consume alcohol in my lifetime. You will not consume. Shop open or close, whatever it is.
Whatever it is, but available and friends also. Once again, olden day, before 5 years in KFC opening the small shop, people not going to purchase the eating KFC, because that is secret ingredient to not only to totally affected in health. It's for putting in secret ingredients for more than 120 ingredients. It's affected for our health, because regularly on the taste ingredients, you want you whenever you see the KFC board, you just go like just like come on that ingredient was is there. Wait,
Yes,
I will
I am not
conclude.
interrupting you.
Because outlet what increasing and all friends, if I am studying in on college, two friends went to KFC, I am also going. These things these are relevant to in the liquor shop also. Suppose so I am going to a liquor shop, just please company with me. These things are so slowly this increasing, so all the people are doing this.
That is what I mean. If your willpower is strong, if your willpower is strong, whatever your friends influence will not matter.
How long you willpower? I'm
Depends on your
Gandhi.
willpower.
How many times you say?
That is
one
what
day
it is
or one year or 2 year. That's why say wow, what is it? Or என்னதான் இருக்கு பாத்துருவோமே. That's where it's coming. Only just
Taste.
just
Okay.
only.
So that is what. There are
That's later
people
on.
who are not
I'm saying-
addicted. There are
I'm
people
saying-
who are
I'm saying
addicted.
later on 10 year, this goes to everyone purchasing.
So it is being sold for 200 years.
I'm a true friend.
Okay.
I'm a true friend. Just take me.
True friend will not misguide you.
Nothing.
True friend will not
No,
misguide you.
nowadays, this is the main thing. Students who are affected was this is the main thing. Friend only.
Then this is not true friend. He should not misguide.
No, this is not mentally accepted. People was assuming just like a drinks, just like a cool drinks.
Okay, if
This
you
is-
consume first time, then
No.
you feel it is giving something bad is happening to my body, you will not consume next time.
Not badding.
So,
This
but
is what people was liking. No, that's why I'm saying secret ingredients. You know, ingredients is like this, like Ajinomoto. You want just taste it. Yes. So you want to taste. You want any Sundays or people are around just like eating, drinking. You want just.
That is what we cannot control people's wish by closing the shops. Shops are open. If a person doesn't wish to take an alcohol,
easily,
he will not.
No, I'm saying government selling easily
Okay,
available
here
for everyone purchasing.
sorry to interrupt. I have one point. Do we have any red light area here? Then why are we number 2 in each? Are we promoting it?
We are not promoting.
Then how did we get it?
Not only Tamil Nadu. India is second.
Whatever it is. So okay, so do you you mean to say from people from Tamil Nadu go there every day, every week, every month? No, but still we do have. It is just what is there available or not. It is something different.
No, available is main thing. If the Tamil Nadu government approved in the that red light area, so suppose people are more affected from the these things. Just you assume this is not.
Take example of Germany. In Germany, prostitution is legal, but
German
still they are
that culture is different to our
not
culture.
culture.
Not yes, very.
So-
Culture is totally different
So
to
that
ours.
is culture. You brought the point of culture. So that's why I gave example of Rishi Munis. They used to consume draksha. So it is part of a liquor. It's
This
kind
is
of
a
a liquor.
weather condition and culture is
condition was
totally
same.
different to our country. Okay.
So even in military, okay, people who are in borders.
Yeah, I know.
Alcohol for just to withstand the.
Yeah. That's why I'm saying. This is weather condition because Kashmir and border condition.
But the shops are closed. How they will manage to get that?
That's why they purchasing. But here very hard. Why you are purchasing here? Suppose he drank 1 quarter is not studying. Because body condition very low. That's why you purchasing. In
But-
foreign,
But they are healthy. They are protecting us, so they can have alcohol. They are their body fitness.
When ma'am took one point saying that if you consume 1 glass of drink here, can you talk? Now a drunkard man, how can he take care of the borders?
Not during office.
No,
not during.
no.
it's-
On the people before going to the borders in Kashmir, they take alcohol and go and stand there.
No. Military canteen is there. Approved for not only small.
A person on the duty consumes 2 ounces of alcohol every day.
I think monthly 6 full or 7 full.
Canteen is for our retail purpose.
Providing government in military canteen because that weather condition here is so hard, too hard. Why you consuming? Because body is not absorbing.
I'm saying if you agree that military people requires liquor for withstand in the border. So
Weather condition.
okay, that's anyway. But if you close the shop, close the shop means what? You are making conventional liquor illegal. Correct?
I'm saying simply saying
Government
government TASMAC only.
Yes.
Okay, TASMAC government do this. They people are consuming more. No private.
No, see.
That is the government doing. Government not purchasing in TASMAC. He is only directly purchased from the private sector or any other sector. Directly purchased.
No,
Not
that's
I'm-
one time.
I'm
If
not-
when we say that we should close shops, that
Any
means we are saying
any military
consumption
man-
of illegal is consumption of liquor is illegal. So whether it is a military man, whoever it will be illegal.
There is a medicine way. That's why I'm saying.
Same, I'm telling medicine way.
No, that is a medicine way. I'm selling our TASMAC shop. If any military man go to TASMAC shop, they are not wanted. In military canteen private they all liquors.
Getting it low cost.
Huh?
A bottle of wine.
No, that is
original and it is
ಇಲ್ಲ low cost is because we are providing facility for in a military because he are working
That's
in nation.
subsidized
So then
price.
only,
Okay,
government
they're not, that's a subsidized price and they are not for the taxes. Now who's going to bear the cost of the taxes? People like us
No,
who's
this
going to
is
bear the
service.
taxes.
This is service for a military man. This is a he is working for our nation. So then only he is consisting. This is
The same
this is
point,
simple.
okay, as you
This
said,
is
Amma
simple.
Unavagam, that loss is
I'm
borne
saying
borne by
only
year.
TASMAC closing. You are saying military man. Why is
No,
saying?
Military man is also given license only to he's given a gun.
Yeah, any military man
He's
get
given
a
gun. So then we
full
ask every government
6
to
full
go
in
with
month.
a gun.
you can have a, there is a application, you fill it up and you can buy a gun.
Not everyone is given.
You have to pay a fees.
You have to have a status, you have to have. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's getting very hot here, no fan.
I can conclude.
Dear friends, we had a heated discussion about closing of liquor shops all through India. And is it good or bad? Pros and cons. We had valid information during this course of group discussion. But my point here is coming to the conclusion. We have the right to kill our body. Do we have the right to kill others? A driver, most of the accidents, 90% of accidents happens because of drunken driving. Recently, just 5 days back, a man drove the car, a young businessman, of course a popular businessman's son is, with 3 of his friends, fully drunk. He just dashed and 5 people were killed in Chennai. So we have in Ben's car. We have a humpty number of proofs to show that accidents happen because of drunken driving. Nearly in India, in Tamil Nadu alone, we find nearly totally 7 crore population are there. 3.5 crore are men and 3.5 crore are females. Out of 3.5 crore, it is believed that 1 crore people are addicted for liquor. These 1 crore people are addicted and regular customers of TASMAC. Imagine the families they are heading, what type of family they are living in, their children. Because of drinking, he has to spend at least minimum of 200 to 250 per day to the TASMAC shop. So it grows daily, it increases, the cost doesn't reduce. The government incurring losses for the treatments which they have to give to the addicted alcoholics. We have one other thing, argument we had, military men they drink and government is providing, why not to government servants, the government is providing in the canteen. Why not in our something like ration shops also, why not? See, government military officers or military soldiers, we nearly have I think so around 1 crore people also once again in army. But what is the duty of an army man? A policeman has a duty, a teacher has a duty, a doctor has a duty. Nothing is there. They don't have any work. That's the problem. That's why they drink. They don't have any work except the 2 wars they have done. Other than that, they don't have any work at all. In the present technology where you just press a bomb, press a button, entire our enemy country can be destroyed. They don't have any duty. That's the reason they don't know what to do. They are not put into civil works. Nothing they do. Just train, drink, sit there. Even for Maoists' attack, military has not brought up. In 22 states we have Maoists' domination. They drink. Persons without duty, without work, without any responsibilities, and if they are given money, if they have wealth, then they obviously they go in for such type of drinking alcohol. So the society, whose society? Individuals make a society. In a society, in India as a country, central government and state government, each individual should follow minimum how many laws 10,000 laws, minimum of 10,000 laws of state government and central government you have to follow. For example, a single law, you have to wear a helmet. Second law, you have to drive on your left side. Like that, 10,000 laws have been formulated, and all the citizens should follow. If the laws are not there, what happens? The mighty will come and attack the poor people. You can see a lot of confusion, fighting. So laws are there. The government should make a law. Make a law. If law is made, if law is followed stringently, that liquor shops should be banned. Of course, everybody will agree that liquor shops are a curse to the society, because man is not in his own being. He loses his control. Even though we have various examples like Ramayana time and Mahabharata time, they had Somabanam, but it is not scientifically made products like this. They just make it from juices. A percentage of alcohol was there, but now scientifically we have developed. And who are the people who are enjoying the benefits of running the shops? It is one, Vijay Mallya, a kingfisher man who is living a life of extraordinary stylish way, who invests all his money in car races and everything. So who are the sufferers? It is the poor womenhood whose husbands are addicted to alcohol. So conclusion is ban the liquor shops. It is an addiction. It is addicted product. You get drunk, you get addicted, lifelong you become addicted. The son sees his father drinking, he takes the habit. My father does, why not me? My father, for a son, father is a hero. And if he doesn't take drink, if he hates his father, he doesn't take drinks. So you have to think his father as an enemy. Here comes the problem of generation problems. So alcohol should be banned and must be banned. Thank you very much.